Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Mohammed Rizqi Aprizal, and these are my friends, namely, Nur Arif Rojai, Stave, Eben, Haezer, Ferry Irawaan, and Rizky Wahyudi. Here we will explain the material task variability, task analyzability, and 4 types of technology. Here I will explain the first material. What is technology? Technology, the combination of skills, knowledge, abilities, techniques, materials, machines, computers, tools, and other equipment that people use to convert or change raw materials into valuable goods and services. Technology exists at 3 levels: individual level, the personal skills, knowledge, and competences that individuals possess; functional or department level, the procedures and techniques that groups work out to perform their work and create value; organizational level, the way an organization converts inputs into outputs; mass production, the organizational technology based on competences in using standardized, progressive assembly process to manufacture goods; craftswork, the technology that involves groups of skilled workers who interact closely to produce custom-designed products. 1. WWHWHHWWH. Technology and organizational effectiveness. Technology is present in all organizational activities. Input allows each organizational function to handle relationships with outside stakeholders so that the organization can effectively manage its specific environment. Conversion transforms inputs into outputs. Output allows an organization to effectively dispose of finished goods and services to external stakeholders. The technology of an organization's input, conversion, and output processes is an important source of competitive advantage. 2. Hahaga hack 12,445. This figure 9.1, input, conversion, and output processes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 0. Ha. Technical complexity, the theory of Joan Woodward. Program technology, a technology in which the procedures for converting inputs into outputs can be specified in advance; tasks can be standardized and the work process can be made predictable. Technical complexity, the extent to which a production process can be programmed so that it can be controlled and made predictable. High technical complexity exists when conversion processes can be programmed in advance and fully automated. Low technical complexity exists when conversion processes depend primarily on people and their skills and knowledge and not on machines.
Next, technical complexity count. Woodward identified 10 levels of technical complexity that are associated with 3 types of production technology. Small batch and unit technology involves making one-of-a-kind, customized products or small quantities of products. Large batch and mass production technology involves producing large volumes of standardized products. Continuous process technology involves producing a steady stream of output. Production continues with little variation in output and rarely stops. Individuals are only used to manage exceptions in the work process. 1 2 3 4 5. Figure 9.2. Technical complexity and 3 types of technology. Group 1. Small batch and unit production. 1. Production of simple units to customers' orders. 2. Production of technically complex units. 3. Fabrication of large equipment in stages. 4. Production of small batches. 5. Production of components in large batches subsequently assembled diversely. Group 2. Large batch and mass production. 6. Production of large batches, assembly line type. 7. Mass production. 8. Process production combined with the preparation of a product for sale by large batch or mass production methods. Group 1. Continuous process production. 9. Process production of chemicals and batches. 10. Continuous flow production of liquids, gases, and solid shapes. Technical complexity. Low technical complexity production depends primarily on skills, knowledge, and procedures. And high technical complexity production depends primarily on physical machinery, equipment, and computers.
Next. This figure 9.3, Technical Complexity and Organizational Structure. Routine Tasks and Complex Tasks. The theory of Charles Perrow has 2 dimensions underlies the difference between routine and non-routine or complex tasks and technologies. Task variability, the number of exceptions, new or unexpected situations that a person encounters while performing a task is low when a task is standardized or repetitious. Task analyzability, the degree to which certain activity is needed to solve a problem. Figure 9.4, Task variability, task analyzability, and 4 types of technology. And this table 9.1, routine and non-routine tasks and organizational design. Of James D. Thompson. Task interdependence, The manner in which different organizational tasks are related to one another affects an organization's technology and structure. Three types of technology: mediating technology, a technology characterized by our process in which input, conversion, and output activities can be performed independently of one another based on polite interdependence. Each part of the organization contributes separately to the performance of the whole organization. Theory of James D. Thompson, Con. Long-linked technology, based on our process in which input, conversion, and output activities must be performed in series based on sequential task. Interdependent actions of one person or department directly affect the actions of another. Intensive technology, a technology characterized by our process in which input, conversion, and output activities are inseparably based on reciprocal task interdependence. The activities of all people and all departments are fully dependent on one another. Figur 9.5, Task Interdependence and Three Types of Technology. From mass production to advanced manufacturing technology. Mass production attempts to reduce costs by protecting its conversion processes from the uncertainty of the environment makes an organization inflexible. Mass production is based on dedicated machines that can perform only one operation at a time and that produce a narrow range of products. Fixed workers who perform standardized work procedures. Thereby increasing an organization's control over the conversion process. Advanced manufacturing technology, innovations in materials technology. Advanced manufacturing technology, technology which consists of innovations in materials and in technology that change the work process of traditional mass production organizations. Materials technology comprises machinery, other equipment, and computers. Organization actively seeks ways to increase its ability to integrate or coordinate the flow of resources between input, conversion, and output activities. CID, CAM, JT. Inventory, Flexible Manufacturing, CM. Figur 9.6, Workflows.
That is our explanation. If there is an error, we apologize. We're end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.